Hi, at iEngineering, we don't just manufacture transformers, we create solutions that power industries, cities, and communities. Today, we'll take you through the journey of how our 150 kVA and 200 kVA transformers are designed, built, and delivered to our customers worldwide. Why choose our transformers? Our transformers are more than just electrical equipment. They are a symbol of performance and sustainability, designed using state-of-the-art technology and adhering to the highest international standards. Our transformers ensure 1. High efficiency, 2. Durable design, 3. Customizable solutions, 4. Environmentally friendly. Every transformer begins with a precision-engineered design, ensuring efficiency and durability. Our experts analyze client needs, voltage, load, and cooling to craft the perfect solution. Using advanced tools, we optimize electrical and mechanical design for peak performance. With global standards compliance, we deliver excellence in every transformer. Once the design is finalized, manufacturing begins with precision to ensure superior build quality. High-grade CRGO steel cores are cut and assembled to minimize energy losses and noise. Computerized winding machines create high-conductivity copper coils with superior insulation. Precision winding ensures uniform tension, enhancing stability and preventing dielectric failures. Robust assembly, clamping, and pre-compression strengthen the transformer for durability, efficiency, and longevity. Our transformer tanks are meticulously fabricated using mild steel. We apply a corrosion-resistant coating, such as hot-dip galvanizing or epoxy painting, to ensure long-lasting durability. This process guarantees optimal performance even in the harshest environments. Every transformer undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability. From insulation resistance to dielectric strength, we check every detail. Only after passing all quality checkpoints does it get approved. Precision, performance, and trust guaranteed in every dispatch. During the final assembly, the transformer is carefully placed inside the tank, and high-grade mineral oil is filled under vacuum conditions to prevent moisture absorption. Depending on the design, the tank is sealed hermetically or with a conservator tank. This step ensures the transformer operates efficiently and reliably for years. Once FAT document approved by client, every transformer is carefully packed for a safe journey. Heavy-duty crates, shock absorbers, and moisture-proof wrapping ensure protection. Inside containers, secure bracing and fastening straps prevent movement. With precise packing, we guarantee safe and damage-free delivery. Once packed, the transformer begins its journey safely to the customer. Heavy-duty trucks, escort vehicles, and sea freight ensure secure transport. GPS tracking and vibration sensors monitor movement throughout transit. Upon arrival, our team handles unloading, inspection, and final setup. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. For more details, visit our company website at www.ieng.tech.